Hello, and welcome to Great Garden. Have you ever been sitting in your living room reading a book, only to be constantly bothered by mosquitoes flying around your potted peace lily, or even getting bitten? After taking a closer look, I discovered that the problem wasn't the peace lily itself, but the growing medium in the pot, which had unintentionally created favorable conditions for mosquitoes and other insects to breed. Don't worry, today I'll show you a simple method using common kitchen ingredients to help solve this problem. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Great Garden so you won't miss more helpful plant care tips. Let's get started. Do you have garlic powder at home? Garlic powder contains minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, iron, zinc, and manganese, along with naturally occurring sulfur compounds like allicin, which can be beneficial for plants when used properly. I'll divide the garlic powder into two portions. Portion 1. Using a spoon, I'll sprinkle a small amount of garlic powder evenly over the surface of the growing medium around the base of the plant, just as shown in the video. Then, I'll gently loosen the top layer of the soil to mix the garlic powder into the growing medium. Lightly mixing it in helps distribute the garlic powder more evenly, preventing it from being blown away by the wind or washed away during watering. It also allows the natural compounds in the garlic to come into better contact with the growing medium, helping create a less favorable environment for certain fungi and insects around the base of the plant. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Next, prepare a clean glass. Pour about 500 milliliters of hot water into the glass. Then add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and stir well. The hot water helps the garlic powder dissolve more quickly, while extracting its natural compounds and some of its minerals into the solution. This creates a more uniform solution that will be ready for use once it is cooled. Stir thoroughly to ensure the garlic powder dissolves completely and is evenly dispersed throughout the water, allowing its natural compounds to be extracted more effectively. Finally, cover the container and let the solution steep for about 1 hour. This allows the components of the garlic powder to dissolve more thoroughly, creating a well-balanced solution before it is used on the plant. After about 1 hour, once the solution has cooled to room temperature, strain it through a fine sieve to remove all of the solids, keeping only the clear liquid. Straining removes any remaining particles, producing a cleaner, more uniform solution that is less likely to clog a watering can or spray bottle. It also makes the solution easier to apply evenly when watering or spraying the plant. Next, add 1 liter of clean, room temperature water to the garlic solution. Now, we have a diluted garlic solution ready to use for plant care. Method 1. Wiping the leaves. Dip a soft cotton pad into the diluted garlic solution, then gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of each leaf. Wiping the leaves removes dust and residue from the leaf surface, helping keep the foliage clean, while improving airflow and supporting more efficient photosynthesis. In addition, garlic contains naturally occurring sulfur compounds that give it its distinctive aroma. This scent may help make the area around the plant less attractive to certain insects, such as fungus gnats, and other small pests, especially when combined with proper watering practices and a well-drained growing medium. Wipe the leaves once a week, preferably early in the morning or late in the afternoon, to keep the plant clean and healthy. Method 2. Watering around the base. Pour the diluted garlic solution into a watering can, then gently water around the base of the plant, using only enough solution to lightly moisten the root zone without saturating the growing medium. Watering around the base allows the solution to come into contact with the upper layer of the growing medium, helping create a less favorable environment for certain fungi and insect pests around the base of the plant. At the same time, it provides the moisture the plant needs without placing unnecessary stress on the roots. Apply this method once every 2 to 4 weeks, together with proper watering and routine plant care. Avoid using it too frequently or preparing the solution at an excessively high concentration. Method 3. Misting the plant. Pour the remaining diluted garlic solution into a spray bottle. Lightly mist the stems and both sides of the leaves, paying special attention to the undersides, where certain insects often hide. The garlic solution can help keep the leaf surface clean, while creating a less favorable environment for certain insects and fungal pathogens. Spray once a week, preferably early in the morning or late in the afternoon. Avoid spraying during intense sunlight or immediately before rain. Apply only a light mist. There is no need to soak the plant. A thin, even coating allows the foliage to dry naturally after treatment. Besides peace lily, you can also use this misting method on other suitable ornamental plants. Here, I'm using the same solution on an Anthurium. Simply apply a light mist over the stems and both sides of the leaves. When used properly, the garlic solution can help keep the leaves clean while creating a less favorable environment for certain insects and fungal pathogens. Regular misting also helps maintain clean, healthy foliage with a naturally glossy appearance. Method 4. Storing the remaining solution. Pour any leftover garlic solution into another clean spray bottle, seal it tightly, and store it in the refrigerator. When properly strained and stored, the solution can usually be kept for 3 to 5 days while maintaining good quality. This saves both time and ingredients because you won't need to prepare a fresh batch every time you care for your plants. Whenever you need it, simply remove the solution from the refrigerator, allow it to return to room temperature, then continue using it to wipe leaves, mist the foliage, or water your plants as usual. It's a convenient way to maintain a consistent plant care routine without spending extra time preparing a new solution each time. In addition, this method gives you greater flexibility in your plant care routine, making it especially suitable for busy people who still want to maintain a consistent, long-term plant care habit. Results. After 2 months of consistent use, you'll begin to notice significant improvements. The leaves become greener, thicker, and glossier, while new leaves emerge evenly with clean, healthy surfaces full of vitality. The root system also becomes more stable, producing numerous new root tips that improve the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients. As the roots become healthier, the entire plant grows stronger and more vigorous. Under proper growing conditions, the plant may also begin producing new shoots and naturally progress into its flowering stage. With consistent care, the blooms can last longer and display more vibrant colors. Most importantly, success doesn't come from a single ingredient. It comes from providing consistent, proper care over time. Give this method a try and share your results with Great Garden in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Great Garden, and share this video with other plant lovers so we can all grow healthier, more beautiful plants together. See you in the next video.